Hey, Tim Kerley here with your Friday FAQ, and this week's question is one I get from buyer clients occasionally, and that is, do I have to do an escrow account? Is an escrow account required? Now, most people are okay with an escrow account, but occasionally I do have folks that don't want to escrow. So we're going to talk about that for just a minute. And the short answer is it depends on which loan program our clients are using and how much of a down payment they have. With a conventional loan, as you know, the two investors on that are Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac. With a conventional loan, if the buyer is doing at least a 20% down payment or has at least a 20% down payment, they can opt out of the escrow account. Now, it's important for them to note that it could affect their pricing because both Fannie and Freddie view this as an additional risk factor, view not having an escrow account as an additional risk factor. So their pricing on their end is going to be adjusted, which may come down to our buyer as well. So that might mean that they would have some discount points, or they might have a slightly higher rate, all things being equal, to not do the escrow account. But they can opt out as long as they have a 20% down payment. FHA, you cannot opt out. You have to do escrow regardless of down payment. USDA, you have to do escrow regardless of down payment. On VA, there are some instances on a lender by lender basis where some lenders might allow a VA borrower to not do escrow. And so those situations would be different depending on the lender. It's a case by case basis, so I don't want to get into that, but just know that would be very unusual, but it is possible. So that's kind of how escrow works. And in general, it's required. Like I say, I don't get a lot of questions about that, but occasionally we do have people that don't want to do escrow, and that's the answer. Have a great weekend. We'll talk to you soon. See ya.